Do you think you should watch more idiom videos from Idioms Online? Well, food for thought. Meaning of the English idiom, food for thought. Food for thought is something such as an idea or issue that is worth thinking about or considering. Something that is worthy of serious consideration or careful pondering so that you understand it fully. Usage of idiom. Often, this idiom is used to mean simply something to think about or give it some thought. For example, you should consider sitting down and coming up with a household budget so you won't run out of money every month. Food for thought. More examples of use. I think we should get Dad a table saw for Christmas. He really wants one, said Tommy. Well, that's definitely food for thought, but he also wants a new grinding wheel, said Mom. You've given me a lot of food for thought, said Mr. O'Donnell. I'll take up your ideas with the board as soon as possible. Instead of throwing away this old wood, why don't we use it to make something? Food for thought anyway. Origin of idiom. This idiom transfers the digestion of food to the mind using the idea that the mind can chew or digest ideas. It has been used since the early part of the 1800s, although the concept existed long before.